EU AB to Embark RORO 2,850 euros, 1,146 number videos we made about this. How many times European Union has contacted us to grant jobs for Europeans? These ones. Therefore, we know how much the value, you know the tax you pay for them, how much it's worth. Yes. Therefore, please apply urgently. We have many Français. Merci beaucoup la France pour application d'équipage à cet bateau de bandera italienne. Therefore, we need, please, for you to think positive. The joining of these ships is West Italy, East Spain, Barcelona, Valencia, and then to Civitavecchia. This is the port of Italy, trade Mediterranean. Huge professional Italian crew, a smiling Mediterranean crew, Italian food, very good Italian cook, imagine. And if you are from the cruise, from the flag of convenience, from the far away from your family, AB 2,850, we have many Français, merci beaucoup. We still don't have many Germans. Deutsche, apply urgently because this ship is very close to Germany, Mediterranean weather. Then we have many Croatian crew applying. We need Bulgaria, Romania, Latvian. We have many Latvian crew applying. Why? Because if you are freezing cold in Latvia in the winter, you can really be working Mediterranean with very professional, very good state-of-the-art RORO ships. These are from 37,000 tons to 67,000 tons. These ships are huge. It's 22 units. Europeans' biggest family RORO ship owner. Therefore, it is employment long term. If you value your family, if you value the stability, well, sometimes we become older, and those are the values we look after, stability and the family. Join Candina family today, apply urgently. This is Italian flag, social security. Thank you very much indeed, and no English is required for this ship. Thank you, bye.